Hey guys, so finally we are starting now. With yesterday we reached San Antonio and then checked in, and then yesterday, we were so tired and so sleepy. We just went to bed right away. So now I'm still at the hotel. I'm checking out of this place, and I am going to. It's already 2 o'clock, so it's approximately 2 o'clock, and we are a little hungry, famished, and so we are going to go back to one of our used to be, or I guess it is still one of our favorite burrito place. However, they're running, they are slowly going out of business from the nation. It's called World Burrito, and I think I have a video on that too. But that video is from Oklahoma, and they're already out of business in Oklahoma. Anyways, they're still in business in San Antonio, and I think they're still headquartered at what's that place called? Forgot
I suffer from short-term memory loss.
the name of the place. Austin. Yeah, they're still headquartered at Austin. And so yeah, that's where we are headed to. We are going to go and have lunch at Freebird's World Burrito. The kids are going to have rice and beans, and that's their favorite outdoor food, I guess. And then
Beans. I said what? Said bean.
And after that, we are going to go and check out this river walk, which San Antonio is very famous for. So we're going to check out the river walk around the river walk, and then also check out yeah, so that's it for today. And then we decided to go further south and head to Corpus Christi, and we booked a hotel there, so that it's on the beach, so that we can hang out on the beach. And then also we'll probably go to North Padre Island, if time permits. We'll see. But today's plan is to wrap up here, have lunch at the Freebird's World Burrito, go to and see the river walk, and then go and check out the Pearl shopping area, and then drive to Corpus Christi, further south. Yeah. Stay tuned.
How come I only get to travel with you guys like once every 2 years?
COVID-19!
COVID-19!
Five minutes later.
So here we are at the Freebird's World Burrito. It's too bad that they're going out of business in many cities, but yep. So while we are here, we're going to enjoy this. And it is 81 degrees Fahrenheit in San Antonio.
This heat is just unbearable.
It's like I feel like a gecko.
It's hot out here!
And I thought my jokes were bad.
Man, my body has not been able to tolerate this much of temperature variation. Because I'm coming from because I've been driving here from Kansas, where it was 32, 34 degree Fahrenheit. Right now it's 81 degree Fahrenheit. I'm running allergies just because of all the temperature variation. Yep. It's very, very warm. It's pleasantly nice. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and have our lunch. We're going to order the Super Monster burrito and some beans, white rice and black beans for the kids. And we are I'm not going to shoot another video for us having lunch, because you have probably seen this video, seen me have lunch at this place, at not this one, but similar Freebird's place in Oklahoma. And so yeah, That's it, guys. I'll see you after lunch, and then I'll probably show you some more footage of the river walk and the pearl shopping area thing. Yeah. See you soon. Till then, enjoy your lunch.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, guys, we have finally parked our car and we are headed to the river walk. Yep. But I don't know where the river walk is.
I'm really freaking out, you guys!
Oh, they have some very convenient signs on the street that tells us where the river walk is. Yep. We finished our lunch at the Freebirds, and then now we are headed to the river walk. We had to stop at Walmart, to gather some groceries, because tomorrow is Christmas, 25th of December, and even Walmart closes on 25th of December. Yeah, so which is why river walk is that way, which is why we wrapped up grocery shopping, and then we also wrapped up took some medications for all the congestions, because we're planning on going into the beach in the water, so we took some precautionary medications as well. Anyway, so today we are going to plan on walking on the river walk, because the name itself says river walk. So we'll walk along the river walk, enjoy the scenic beauty of the river walk, and then head to Corpus Christi. Parking costs were pretty high. I think the place where we parked, it's a parking garage, and we parked for $17 for 2 hours, and then every addition, I think up to 6 hours, from 2 hours to 6 hours, it's like $25. So it is pretty expensive parking. But usually in Kansas we don't pay for parking, so this is pretty expensive here. So that's it, guys. I'll show you once we reach river walk. Yeah. So guys, we finally located the river walk. We are here. It is still not sunset yet, so I think there's not much lighting going on. But you see, this is the pretty river walk. And now we are going to the river walk. I think we're getting to a point where soon it's going to become dark, and then as soon as it is dark, it's going to, the place is going to be pretty lit up. Unfortunately, my nostrils and all my senses are congested, so I cannot really enjoy drinks that are very cold.
way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose, or eyes.
But the weather is amazing. It's 81 degree Fahrenheit, and yep, it's very beautiful. But here, see what I found. Oh man, these ducks are talented. Very talented species. So those were the talented ducks. Very talented. They somehow managed to get out of the way of the boat. But yeah, we'll take a walk around along the river walk. Then maybe we might even take a boat ride. We don't know yet. But it's a happening place. Oh, this is the Hard Rock Cafe. Here. Hard Rock Cafe. And these are some empty boats. Seems like somehow COVID has disappeared from this part of the town. I don't see any people wearing masks. Neither myself. Unfortunately, I lost my mask. But yeah, and this pretty beautiful ducks enjoying the river walk. Yeah. Seems like it's still going to take some time for the darkness to set in, and then this thing to really light up, which is why we are going to stroll around for some more time, burn that super monster burrito that we had, and then probably walk some more. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll try to do a lapse of this area. Let me see how it looks, how it goes. Yeah. We'll start the lapse. Very crowded. We have to see what we're going to do. So we are thinking of going in the gondola ride, the boat ride. So we want to see where to get the ticket from, and then once we get the ticket we can probably go in the ride. I'm very curious about that orange colored drink that people are having. A lot of people are holding that orange. Maybe it's a mango juice or what, orange juice, or I don't know which kind of juice that is. Looks very delicious. People also have a green colored drink, but I think it's the orange colored drink that's very mesmerizing. Let me show you. So I don't know if you're able to see that far. Oh man, this I don't know how to zoom in GoPro, so pardon me for not being able to zoom. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know how to zoom in GoPro, so that's why I'm not able to zoom. But anyways, there's some orange mango kind of drink that people are having. I'm very curious. Probably should ask somebody. I probably should stop somebody, you know, randomly and ask them if they would be willing to share where they bought that drink from. The orange juice or the mango juice, or whatever juice that drink is. And along the way there are many restaurants, and you see there's another restaurant. I think this is a way to go up. Yeah, but I think along this ride it says Museum Reach. So this boat could be used as a means of transport as well. It seems like it goes, you know, because this river runs through the downtown. Yeah, let's see. So I'm entering this place where we can buy the tickets for the boat ride. I think this is the place. Those are some, you know, snacks. This is the queue for the. I think this is the queue for the boat rides. Yeah. Are you in queue for the boat ride? And I think they are in queue for the boat ride. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see. Will be it's a long queue. So that will force us to wait another hour or so and let the lights take over the river walk. Let's see. Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, my wife is not feeling very well, so we are going to take a break here. And then we are going to skip the boat ride. Also because it's too crowded. It's not very comfortable right now. But you know, we have made it so far, so I don't know what is making us uncomfortable now. Anyways, so oh, we found the orange juice. It's mango. You see? Yeah. This is the juice, mango. That's what I was wondering. What is this orange yellow juice thing? It's a mango juice. Yeah, that's what it is. Due to my nasal congestions and all the allergies that I'm going through right now, I have decided not to drink that orange and mango juice. But anyways, for those of you who are interested in finding more about this place and more about the boat rides, just your FYI, I'm reading the board now. I think each child is $750, so it's $750 per child, and then $11.50 for local residents, and then $13.50 for general entry. $13.50, $13.50, $7.50 for children. And that's the rate for the boat ride, and it's called narrated river cruise. That's what they call the boat ride. Regardless, yeah, that's what it is. Anyways, so we'll walk around the river walk once more, and then I think we will take off. We will take off to Corpus Christi. Maybe we'll stop somewhere for dinner, but and then take off to Corpus Christi. I'll keep you informed. See, now the lights are kicking it up, kicking it up a notch. It's getting very, very pretty and very colorful. And you can see how beautiful the trees have been decorated. That's it, guys. That was the this thing. I will do some more time warp of my way going back to the parking lot, and I think it was a short this thing, you know. But I think everybody in the house is feeling a little sick because of all the allergies and nasal congestion. So I think we'll drive to Corpus Christi, then get some rest, and then probably play in the water tomorrow in the beach because it's very, very warm, I've heard. But wait, let's see, there's some interesting things going on in the sky. A lot of birds flying around in the sky here. Oh, I don't know if you can see that very clearly. Okay, yep, so I'll do the time warp thing now. Yep. I think that's it now. I mean, we are back at the parking lot, and here's the parking lot, and we are wrapping it up here. Probably we'll stop somewhere for dinner, and then it'll be Corpus Christi Beach. Yep. So I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned, stay with me. Have fun, guys.
Oh, there's one more thing, sir.
Hey guys, so we still haven't started. It's already around 8 o'clock and we still haven't started for Corpus Christi I'm actually in the back alley of a shady Indian restaurant. I don't think it's a shady restaurant, it's just that I'm in the back alley and it looks shady. Over here, I think the Indian restaurant, I don't know if you can see it very clearly. The Indian restaurant, it's called Spice Grill and Bar. I was trying to eat at La Madeleine. They have a very comprehensive vegan menu. However, unfortunately, because it's Christmas today, Christmas Eve, most of the restaurants here are closed or have closed early, and the only restaurant that I found open was this Spice Grill and Bar. But you see, let me show you around. It's very deserted actually. I'm waiting in the car. They did not have there's a very long queue because that's the only restaurant that's open in San Antonio. So there's a very long queue, which is why I just ordered to go, and then we'll probably eat it in the car as we drive to Corpus Christi. Let me show you around of how deserted it is. See that? Man, see? No traffic. This is downtown, my friends. You see? It's dead in downtown. It is as dead as it can get. So that's it for today. I think I won't make any more videos today. I think I'm going to be heading straight to Corpus Christi from here, which is like another couple of hours south, near Mexico. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I can't subscribe to that.
Maybe you should.
I don't like where this is going.